Hey everyone, this is Marie with Minard's Leisure World, and in the shop today we have a brand new floor plan. This is a 2020 Imagine. This is the 3100 RD. Every now and then a floor plan comes along that is extra special, and this is it this year. So Imagine is by Grand Design RV, one of our top selling travel trailers for many reasons. These guys offer 5-year decal warranty. They warranty tires, structure for 3 years. They're giving you R40 insulation values, yes, in an ultralight travel trailer, and they're also giving you super big holding tanks. So check out the specs. Click on the specs link. Okay, so 5 sides, laminated construction, aluminum framing. We've got thicker baggage compartment doors. Look through the pictures, you guys. You're going to see the beautiful molded cap with the LED slam latches. Power awning. This is a RD, so it's a rear den floor plan. Huge awning here. We don't have any push outs in the middle of your camping area, so lots of people are looking for that, but they still want a pretty special kitchen, which this has. Friction hinge, main door, a little wider than normal. This is the fold away step, stable step system. Love that. So just locks into place when you're going. Pull the pin. Quite stable. You can adjust the legs here for unlevel ground. Couple features: larger grab handle, aluminum wheels, upgraded suspension. We've got a 110 port here, as well as a satellite port. And then your third slide is just back here at the very back on campsite, so it's not going to interfere with your camping. Let's check it out. So just check this out, you guys. We're walking into this beautiful Imagine. Right here, everybody loves to have the kitchen right by the door. So you've got ample countertop space, stainless steel faucet, loads of cupboards and storage space above, below. Notice the barreled ceiling. So that is giving us the appearance of kind of having a fifth wheel feel inside. Seamless counters. We've got a bit of an extension here if you run out of prep space. We're going to keep going here. This is one of the bigger slides, which has your 8 cubic foot refrigerator this year. So thank you, Grand Design. We've got the Furion cooktop here with the glass, and then you've also got a bit more countertop and drawer space. Look for lots of drawers, you guys. New for 2020 is this really cool pots and pan store. You just have a look in, and you've got these pegs that you can strategically put where you want to hold plates and saucers and cups in place. Cool. Or you could play crib. And then a full residential pantry with the motion censored lighting inside. One of the features we loved about this trailer is wherever you are, everybody's together. This is a 2-seat, if you please, table and chairs. And then you can also, they just did a fantastic job designing this. There's a little release button here. You slide it out, swing it around, put it back into place. There's 2 more chairs under your bed, you guys. They're folding chairs, so if you love to play cards, you're not going to be shorted on that pleasure. So here we go. We're now in the living room. Just love all the space back here, you guys. Opposing sofas. Now, we see this floor plan in fifth wheels a lot of the time. Now we have it in a travel trailer. So both of these sofa beds fold out. If you've got grandkids that come, a couple, and then a couple kids, you've got room to sleep another 4 without having a bunch of bunks. The back area here, we've got windows on each side. Look at those roller blinds. Love that. Total blackout roller blinds. Large flat screen TV. Storage. The size of this fireplace is phenomenal. It's a recessed fireplace, so that will throw off a lot of heat. And then we're going to swing you around. Hello! So also we get these theater seating. So you could have 6, 7, 8 people back here. If the weather's bad, if the bugs are bad, you can be inside and just enjoying each other's company. So right here off the hallway, right by the door, which is quite convenient, you have your bathroom. So porcelain foot flush toilet, this large oversized shower. You guys, we went to factory last week, and they really do a bang up job constructing the base of the shower. So stand in it, please, just stand in it. You've got a little bit more storage. You can roll some towels, and then your sink and vanity. Here we are in the luxury master suite. You've got a north-south bed. Everybody gets sides. 2 drawers per person. Also hanging and storage above. Custom covered headboard. You've got your blue and your white LEDs. Each of you, if somebody likes to read at night, love that. And you have plug-ins and 12-volt charger on this side only. That's not it. Check out this storage at the foot of the bed. The way they've designed the bathroom, this is just absolutely perfect. You get 2 more drawers here, and Nice big cupboard for hanging up again. Love the farm style door here. I hope the camera shows this. That's another great feature with the Imagines is they have oversized door openings. So if you have some mobility issues, it's all right. Thanks for coming along on this little virtual tour, the 3100 RD. Minard's Leisure World gives it definitely 2 thumbs up. So come and check it out. Now serving you in 2 locations, Weyburn, Saskatchewan, as well as Watrous.